Login failed on Equitise App Fix. You open the Equitise app ready to explore new investment opportunities or check on your crowdfunding shares, but instead you're met with login failed. It's frustrating, but the good news is that this problem is usually easy to solve. Let's begin with your internet connection. A weak or unstable signal is one of the most common causes of login failure. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Once your network is stable, try logging in again. Next, update your Equitise app. Open your App Store or Google Play, search Equitise, and tap Update if one is available. Many login errors are caused by outdated app versions that no longer sync correctly with the server's security system. If you're still stuck, manually enter your login credentials. Avoid using autofill or save passwords, as these can sometimes store old or incorrect details. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password and reset it using the link sent to your email. Now, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Equitise Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to clear out any temporary or corrupted files. This often fixes deeper app-level glitches. Another overlooked fix: turning off your VPN. Equitise may block login attempts from masked or foreign IP addresses as part of its fraud prevention system. Disabling your VPN could instantly restore your access. Finally, if the problem continues, try logging in from the Equitise website. If that also fails, it might be a temporary server maintenance issue. Wait a bit, then try again later. So the next time you see login failed on Equitise, don't worry. With a few simple steps, checking your internet, updating your app, re-entering your details, clearing cache, and disabling VPN, you'll be back to browsing exciting investment opportunities in minutes.